Welcome. Thank you for your time. It is a pleasure to talk with you about sovereign capacities and capabilities for artificial intelligence, AI. We are being impacted by AI, either directly or indirectly, by AI of one or more types, which requires a sovereign capacity and capability for growing ourselves and our businesses, for retaining customers and relationships, and to protect ourselves and businesses as we respond to the opportunities from AI. This need applies to small businesses, corporations, national governments, state governments, and local councils alike, and is across the varying types of AI, including robotics, chat, imaging, facial recognition, and the emerging generative AI and agentic AI. Whether a small business, a global corporation, a government, or an organization, the need for a sovereign capacity and capability for AI is about protecting operations, serving customers, and growth. We encourage you to seek more information if required. Please enjoy and come away informed and wanting to do more around AI. Sovereignty requires control of algorithms and models. Given the emerging role of AI across business operations, the most basic risk management would see a business controlling its data leakages and, at the very least, an oversight of the algorithms and models within AI. Having a greater control of LLMs and algorithms through custodianship, ownership, sovereignty, assurance of outcomes is integral to the protection and survival of a business, with risk, audit, compliance, and regulatory all being involved. Any sovereign capacity and capability for AI, whether for a country, a state, or a local council, a corporation, a business, an organization, or an agency, is required to address aspects like different algorithms and models for specialist needs. This would be alongside having AI in applications and devices used by customers, suppliers, channel partners, and agencies. This fragmented approach for specialist needs is just one area in which control and sovereignty is required. Business needs, including regulatory and compliance, do vary and require different uses and applications of AI with the respective audit, assurance, and risk management. From legal requirements to proving assurance, a regime of AI types, integrations, and outcomes is required for business. Any sovereign capacity and capability for AI requires control, custodianship, oversight, assurance, and ownership of the algorithms and models, especially for larger, more complex operations where sovereign risk increases. Algorithm and model sovereignty within sovereign AI capacity and capability. The significance of control, custodianship, and ownership over algorithms and models is about protects business, supports customers, enables response, assures obligations, liabilities, accountabilities, responsibilities, supports specialist requirements and operational embedding, flexibility for growth, opportunities, operational needs, reduced exposure and dependencies to manage a business. Whether a global corporation, a country with national interests, an agency faced with regulatory and compliance alongside services, a risk-based approach sees the need for basic sovereignty, ownership, custodianship, and control over the AI algorithm and model at a minimum. sovereignty of algorithms and models for business protection. Sovereignty of AI algorithms and models, the LLMs, may require the coding and development of research of algorithms, but for many it is about the consistent and persistent application of proven practices used for other assets and processes, including criteria management, performance management, assurance management, response management. On a risk-based approach, having control, ownership, custodianship, and sovereignty over such a regime is required to protect a business. On a risk-based approach, is a business or a government best served through data leakage and a regime where the sovereignty, control, custodianship, and ownership of algorithms and LLMs remains a low priority? Thank you for your time. May this series be of value to you and those you help. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.